Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now let me annotate the lesson pointer. Now, information obtained from molecule. This is our topic today. Today date is 13 September 2020. Sorry, 39 2020. Example 1, water. Now, if we will observe on the behalf of water molecule, so we can get the idea that types of atoms too. Types mean kind. Look at there, two kinds of atoms are present here in the molecule of water, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, just hold on, let me come in. Someone want to come in? Okay. Now look at the boys. Total number of atoms we are saying is a 3, but total number of atoms are 3, mean 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. And ratio between atoms is 2:1 because 2 hydrogen are there and 1 oxygen is there. Are you getting the idea, boys? It's simple things, simple arrangements are there. So we are get the idea about their formation obtained from water molecule. Okay, ratio between atoms. Ratio means what is their consequences. Okay, if we compare both of the atom which is present in the water molecule, H, capital H, ratio O. Okay, we will represent in such a way that how much types of atoms are present in the molecule. So we already know that two kinds of atoms are there, hydrogen and oxygen. We just first step is that we just mention their symbols. Okay, capital H, ratio, capital O. Now look at there, hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 1. Clear? Now the second example, come to the point of second example. Example number 2, information obtained from C6H12O6. We call it a sugar. Okay, now let's see. So here we can get the idea. Look at there, we have 3 kinds of uh, atoms are present in the molecule of sugar. Okay, look, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In carbon we have a 6 number of atoms. Hydrogen we have 12 number of atoms. In oxygen we have 6 number of atoms. Okay, now let me come in. Someone want to come in? Now come to the point, boys. Now look at there, same thing is there. Types of atoms 3 because 3 kinds of atoms are there. Total number of atoms 24. We just calculate 12 and plus 6 and then plus 6. We have a 24. Now ratio between atoms. We just first step is that we have to mention their symbols. Carbon, ratio, hydrogen, ratio, oxygen, because 3 kinds of atoms are present in the molecule of glucose. So in the next step we just put their numbers. Carbon is present 6, hydrogen is present 12, oxygen is present in 6 number of atoms. Are you getting the idea, boys? It's simple.
Yes.
Okay, example number 3. Now same thing are there. Information obtained from NaHCO3. Right, types of atoms are 4 because now we can calculate 1 sodium, 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon and 3 oxygen. So kinds of atoms are 4. We can say types of atoms is 4. Total number of atoms are 6. Total number of atoms are 6. Okay, how 3 for oxygen, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, are you getting the idea, boys? Now
Yes, sir.
it's simple and easy. Ratio between atoms, we just the
Yes,
first step
sir.
is that we have to mention the number their symbols. In the first step, their symbol which is present in the molecule. Sodium is there, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. We put the symbol of ratio, okay, between them. Now sweet, now we just mentioned sodium how much, 1, hydrogen how much is there, 1, Carbon, check it there, how much is 1. How check the oxygen, how much is 3. Just mention 3. So this is the way to get the information obtained from the molecule. Okay, I hope hopefully you get the idea. Okay, just hold on boys.